In the last section of this project, you're going to create a presentation in Google Slides from your drive. You need to include all the information on essentially from part 5, the city you chose, the house you chose, the mortgage information, your career choice, and the information you collected on that, and then your reflection. So you should probably have a slide for each of those. Um, and then also tell me what you learned. What did you have to change the city you wanted to live in or the job you wanted to do and able to be able to afford your house that you wanted to live in? Or maybe you chose your house based on your profession. And be as detailed as you can when you type about that in your slideshow. Um, what are your reflections on the project? What did you learn? How do you think this is going to help you in the future? Did you like the project? Did you dislike the project? These particular questions you can type in this document. But the rest of this needs to be in your slideshow. Make sure you attach your slideshow to your assignment in Google Classroom so I can go through and see how you did. Feel free if you want to add a couple extra slides, you may, but you need to at least have this minimum amount of information.